Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to earn some Bitcoin, some Bitcoin. Um, there's multiple ways you can earn Bitcoin. You can play games. You can earn Satoshis by playing games. Let me go right here over to my program, so you're not having to stare at that. Okay, so there's multiple ways to earn Bitcoin. It's called cloud mining. Um, I use multiple devices. I use um, Android and iPhone because some apps are only available on the Google Play Store, and other apps are only available on the Apple Store. And so I have both. I have an iPhone 10, and right now I got my Android Samsung phone connected. Um, so the first thing you're going to need in order to do this is you're going to need some Bitcoin wallets on the Lightning Network. And the two most used Lightning wallets that I use, that most of these apps are going to use, um, first one right here is Speed Wallet. Speed Wallet's used on a lot of these apps. The other one you're going to use is ZBD Wallet. So you're going to need both on both of your devices, both your iPhone and your Samsung phone. So, um, so once you have both wallets, you're going to want to set it up using your Google account to make it easy to use between devices. So I got my ZBD wallet here, and I have my Speed wallet. Those are the two best. You're also going to want to make like a Lightning address, so it's just your name at speed uh, at speed. I can't even remember my own thing. Or the other one's going to be at zbd.gg. And it's really easy to make. You just download the app, you set up an account with your Google account, and boom, you're done. Okay. Um, so, like I said, there's multiple ways to cloud mine. Um, Another benefit to cloud mining is if you have a bunch of like, let me show you if I can go right here to the Google Play Store. I'm trying to do this without like doxing myself. But you see up here, these are your Google Play points. So for every dollar you spend, you're going to get one Google Play point. And those Google Play points are worth money. Every 100 Google Play points is worth $1. So I should probably not click on my account and show you, but if you click right here on my phone, where my cursor is, there's the Google Play points. You click on that, and there'll be three tabs that you click on. Uh, you're going to want to click the one on the very right. It says Earn. You click Earn Perks. It says Perks. You click Perks, and once every 7 days, you can claim free Google Play points. Just the other day, I got like 50 Play points for free. And you can also get more Play points by spending money on games and spending money on cloud mining contracts. And so these Google Play points are essentially money. And this all comes back to this is how you're going to be earning free Bitcoin. And this is actually really fun and really cool. I haven't seen anyone really doing this. I haven't even seen anyone talking about these new games that were just released. And they're actually pretty fun games for a phone. So right now I got my phone connected using Cell Hasher, free software. You can use your phone on your computer to play, or you can play just using your phone. But the screen on my phone's all like busted up, so I like using the computer sometimes. So what you're going to do is, let me show you the apps that I use. Now I'm going to tell you there's a lot of apps out there that are scams that are just trying to steal your money. And then there's a lot of cloud mining apps that are legit. And so the ones that you see I have listed here are legit cloud mining apps. The first one's BTC Coin. You don't have to invest any money to earn Bitcoin from these apps. You can start out for free, set up a wallet, watch a couple ads. You can watch like 30 ads a day if you want, and you stack Satoshis to earn free um, Bitcoin. Now you have to have a minimum of 20 satoshis to move to from the cloud mining app to um, your Lightning wallet. And so, like, I'm gonna click on BTC coin right here. This is the first one I use. Um, every day you can claim, you can watch ads, you can spin the wheel, you get miners. If you go to the market here, you can see how much they cost. You could spend like $1,000 on these miners, and it sounds crazy, but it's actually not bad at all. Like I said, you're getting Google Play points that you can reinvest into the game. So this right here is just a cloud mining contracts. You're just renting hash power and getting paid Bitcoin on the Lightning Network to rent hash power. So you can see my computing power. I just buy these $200 miners, the 4700 gigahash miners. Um, and I could show you mine right here. I got the 4.7 terahash, the 410 gigahash, the 200 gigahash. And like these 200 gigahash ones, I bought these miners using Google Play points that I had earned. Um, and like I said, you can watch ads and get paid Bitcoin, or you can just get paid Bitcoin. And when you withdraw, you click wallet. You can see my withdrawals. You can withdraw straight to your Lightning wallet. And so all these apps that I have, some of them are not legit, but the ones that I have on this device are legit apps. They pay out and they're amazing. I love them. They're the coolest ever. So there's BTC Cloud Miner, and they're all pretty much the same. They do the same thing. You just rent hash power and get paid Bitcoin, and you can watch ads to earn more Bitcoin. So I got BTC Coin, BTC Cloud Miner, my ZBD wallet that I get paid to, and my Speed wallet. This one right here is you can find it by searching Mobile ES Sports. This one right here, Earn Bitcoin, is a good one. Um, I've made a couple thousand satoshis through that. Litecoin giveaway pays out in Litecoin to your Litecoin wallet. You got Bitcoin Cash pays out to Bitcoin Cash. This used to be called BitPet. It's the same as all these other cloud miners. You just watch ads. You can rent animals. I don't even know if I have my BitPet. Yeah, I don't really have it logged in on this device. Like I said, you can use your Apple Store with your Apple email, and you can also use your Google Play Store with your Google email, and you keep them separate. But a lot of these apps are available on both stores. Um, so right here, like I got a frog. You can rent or you can bit pet. It's pretty much the same thing, but you're getting digital fake pets, and it's kind of cute. My favorite one's the bird. I got the bird for like $10. It's kind of cool. Uh, Bitcoin miner. This one's legit. You're not going to earn many satoshis in this one because they charge you a 6 satoshi transaction fee. But I have made a couple hundred satoshis in that one watching ads. My favorite's Pawns app. You just do surveys. But I run Pawns app on my computer. If I could show you here, I don't know if I could show you. Yeah, I got Pawns app. I got like $7 in that one. Um, but yeah, the Coin app's good. Mispay. These you earn cash with these three apps. So I haven't really used these apps at all. I like the Bitcoin ones. Jump Task is amazing. You got to use Jump Task. You just check in every day. You run it on your computer, your laptop, and you earn crypto on what network is it? On BNB chain, which is really cool. You get jump tokens that you trade for BNB. Roblox VPN, all these Roblox apps. There's a bunch of them. You just search Roblox. I'm not sure if they're legit or not or a scam. I don't know, but I have earned a couple dollars with it. GrabTap's a good one. Atlas Earth is my favorite. S Miles is also another one of my favorites. I've earned thousands of satoshis just by walking. Um, Another one right here, Bitcoin mining. I haven't tried these two apps. If you scroll over, Mira Network's legit. Some of these are also in testnet, meaning you're not going to get paid until the blockchain launches on mainnet. So this Mira Network, this Data Hive, and this Unic, all three of these apps right here are only in testnet. But all the other Bitcoin apps are legit. Like right here, tap mining. Tap mining is legit. Let me click on it to show you. Like most of these cloud mining contracts, you just buy the contract, watch some ads, get some Bitcoin on Lightning. So this one is legit. And now another thing to notice is I've noticed that the cloud mining apps on the Google Play Store are cheaper. The contracts are a little cheaper. Like right here, I'll show you. Right here, you click the little present, and it's only you can buy for $1. You can buy 50 gigahash. Now that's not going to get you much, probably 10 satoshis or 5 satoshis a day, like nothing. But within a week or so, you just throw in $1. You're collecting Google Play points, and you get turn that into satoshis. And when you get enough Google Play points, let me teach you something. Um, Let me close this out right here. So, like I showed you, there are these other apps, and you can read them if you should be able to read them. There's all of these cloud mining apps. And like I said, you're going to have to go through the ones that I have right here are legit, but there are a lot of scams out there you got to watch out for. Don't invest any money you're willing to lose, and this is not financial advice. This is for fun and an easy, quick way to earn Bitcoin. Um, so I'm going to show you something. So like I'm going to try to do it here. You go to your Google Play Store, right? I'm going to click on my play points. It shouldn't show my email or anything. I should be good. I'm silver, which is nothing. But yeah, right here you click perks. And every 7 days you just click that in there and you get free Google Play points. So when you want to go to use, you click use. You scroll down here where it says Google Play credits. 100 credits you get for $1. 200 credits you get for $2. You can go all the way up to $10. So once you get 1,000 Google Play points from spending money on these games, you get $10. And $10 you can buy. Let me show you. With that $10 of Google Play points, when you go to check out on one of these cloud miners like BTC Coin, you can buy a $10 cloud mining contract, or you could spend it on any app you want. But like Market, um, there's one for $10 because that's what I did. Yeah, I bought this one, this $10 one. I spent 1,000 Google Play points and bought this $10 miner. And that's just the cloud mining contracts. Now we're going to get to the fun stuff. I'm going to show you the Bitcoin games, which are way better. Bitcoin games are way better. So you can do this on Apple. It's available on the Apple App Store and the Android Google Play Store. So we're going to go to search. I'm going to type in mobile esports. You're going to click this first one. Now you're going to scroll down. You can do this one, but this one just pays out in cash. I don't use that. That one's kind of boring. I'm going to scroll down to where it says mobile esports, more by mobile esports, app support. You're going to click that. And then right here it's going to say all apps. So this developer, Mobile Esports, SPZoo, you're going to click all apps. Now this is all the Bitcoin apps that Mobile Esport makes. There's a lot of them. And every single one of these apps you can earn Satoshis by playing these games. Now some of them are a little older and are kind of boring, but they have made all of them. I've played all of these. They have made some new ones that are like Call of Duty level. I mean, not that good, but almost Call of Duty level games that you can earn and play for Bitcoin. So right here, this one, Crypto Miner, Mine and Earn. This is the one that just came out that I started playing. I'll show you that here in a minute, but I'm going to show you other developers right here that you can earn Bitcoin. So Mobile Esports is one of them. There's another developer. What are they called? You can search by typing earn Bitcoin, and it'll show up with other games. You can search for stuff. There's so many things on the App Store. So this is another one right here, Bling. So this developer, I'm going to try to click on. I've played some of these games. I mean, some of them are literally made for kids. Kids can earn Satoshis and play Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know how that's that it works, but you can. Literally, all you need is an email to do this. So you scroll down where it says More by Bling. You click More. Now the Bling, the previous one I showed you uses ZBD wallets. You're going to need ZBD wallet to play those games. But the Bling, you can play with Speed Wallet. And both wallets are great wallets. You should use both of them. The Speed Wallet's amazing because if you want to buy Bitcoin through Speed Wallet, they give you between like 5 or 10% Bitcoin for free. So like let's say you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, they give you a free like 5-10 bucks worth of Bitcoin. And Speed Wallet also allows you to buy XAUT, which is um, digital gold, tokenized gold. If you just want to buy gold, which is like 5,000 an ounce right now, and it uses Ethereum blockchain. But that's just Speed Wallet. You gotta go check out Speed Wallet. So this one is Bling, this developer. They have a whole list of games. I'm gonna click all apps. These are all the games. And look, they just came out with Dungeon Bitcoin Blast. See, I'm gonna have to download this one and play it. I haven't even tried this one. I'm gonna click install. Because that's amazing, dude. And they're coming, like I said, this is new. Some of these games are brand new that no one's talking about them, and you earn Bitcoin, which blows my mind. So that's another developer, Bling, Mobile Esports. Um, Another one right here. So right here, I got this one. These are all made by different developers. Like this one, this Bitcoin giveaway and Satoshi Millions. Both of them are legit. They're just like play-in slots where you put in a couple Satoshis and you can win more Bitcoin. It's just slots. These other games are kind of fun. Sudoku, I mean, that's kind of boring, whatever, but some of them are really fun. Ember Zoo, these are some of my Ember Zoo games. Idle Mine was a great one about last year, blew up, was huge, great game to play, was Idle Mine. You could still play that. You, like I said, need a ZBD wallet, you connect it. Bitcoin Empire is okay. Bitcoin Spinner is great. Um, and here's some more Ember Zoo games, like Crypto Civilization. That one was cool. I'm gonna click on that one just to show you, like, give you an idea. Now this should load here, I hope. Uh, and hopefully you guys see my screen okay. This is the first time am using a headset. Usually I'm talking into my iPhone like this. Um, and like I said, on the Apple Store, there's a lot of other apps that are a little different. I'll have to figure out how to connect my iPhone and do another video for that. But like for example, right here, you just like this game's fun, and you'll have ads on these games. So if you guys don't like watching through like a 10-second ad, uh, then you need to go back to your Direct TV and go pay to watch ads to your paid programming because you none of this stuff can exist without the $500 billion industry of watching ads, you know? A lot of these games I found out about from watching ads, which sounds stupid, but the ad's only like 5-10 seconds long. Like you can't complain. So you'll have an ad pop up here and there, which is no big deal because you're getting paid in Bitcoin to play these. Like right here, I only got 2 Satoshis. You're gonna click on that, and it'll auto pay out to your wallet. Um, So yeah, it'll auto pay out to your wallet. So that's that game. And like I said, there's so many games to choose from. Let me exit out of that game. Um, and I could show you all kinds of other ways to earn Bitcoin, but these are just I'm just giving you the basics rundowns right now. So this one right here, Crypto Miner. This is made by Mobile Esports. This one is fun. And like I said, you're probably going to want to do both. You're going to want to play some games, earn some Bitcoin, spend some money, earn some Google Play points because Google Play points is money, and you're going to want to rent some cloud contracts so you don't have to play games to earn Bitcoin. No, I don't like the notifications. Okay, and yeah, like I said, you're going to need your Speed wallet, your ZBD wallet. You could do this with a 10-year-old iPhone. You could do this with an old Android. Most of these games are so simple that any device you could play on. Now, this one's my favorite one. This one just got released. And sorry for the pixels. I have the frames per second turned down on this device. But yeah, I'm gonna just kill these hogs right here. And this game is fun. Like these games are kind of cool. This one you just mint weapons. It's like playing real life Valheim or Minecraft or any one of those games, but it's a Bitcoin game. So you're earning Bitcoin by playing. Like it's cool. Like this is the coolest thing anyone could ever done. So let's see. I'm gonna smash through all this crap. I'm sorry, I don't think you can hear the sound. I don't have the sound turned on. So I'm gonna just mine, smash through all this crap, go rescue this dude. And like I said, this game works on both Apple, iPhone, and Android. So I rescue this dude. I'm gonna go home. Um, what is this guy? Okay, so this is the market dude I unlocked. This is where I sell my gems to. So I'm gonna go over here, sell it to this dude, sell my crap, and it'll play ads on you just randomly. An ad will come up. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to this guy and I'll teach you a little trick. So if you want to speed up earning Bitcoin, like right here, I got no Bitcoin. I just started this one. Level your weapon up. Let's see, I'm gonna leave. I don't remember how to leave, so I'm gonna click X. There we go. Now I'm gonna leave. So right here, you click on this. No, not that one. On this game, you click on this one. You guys got to find the tips and tricks to this. So like right now, this little video thing, if I click that, an ad will pop up. I watch the ad and I get that key. You can buy stuff in this game. You can, if I watch this ad, I can get these coins. You can spend money on this game, and like I said, any money you're spending, you're collecting Google Play points, which is money. Most people are like, oh, you can't turn it back to dollars. Well, I'm about to show you how. So a lot of people are like, oh, Bitcoin, it's a scam. No, Bitcoin's amazing. It'll change your guy's life. It'll make you a smart person. So when you want to spend your Bitcoin, you can go through ZBD wallet or your Speed wallet. Do I have my Speed wallet? Where's my Speed wallet on here? I know I have it somewhere. Oh, it's on this app. Right here, my Speed wallet. So when you go into Speed wallet, I can't log in because it doesn't allow me to do it when I have a wire hooked up ADB to my laptop, like how I have my phone on my laptop. But when I unplug it, I go into my Speed wallet, and you can send your Bitcoin out to what's called Bit Refill, and you can spend your Bitcoin literally anywhere. You could buy crap on Amazon, you could buy toilet paper, you could buy bread, whatever you want to do. Bitcoin's money, people. Like all roads lead to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's everything. So I have a tab right here for my iPhone. What is all this? Oh, this is just apps I have on my iPhone that I put on this device. There's Bitcoin tiles. And like I said, a lot of these games I'm still testing out, playing, earning. I've earned over, like this one I just now found. Like I've earned well over 300,000 satoshis, and so 100,000 satoshis, Bitcoin at $70,000, 100,000 satoshis is worth about $70. So when Bitcoin goes back to $100,000, 100,000 satoshis is worth about 100 US dollars. And when Bitcoin was 126,000 back in October, 100,000 satoshis is 126,000. Bitcoin is $126 with 100,000 satoshis. Okay, so we're going to click search here, and like I said, you can find any app you want. Type in earn Bitcoin. You can type in anything Bitcoin, it'll pop up. There's these games everywhere, and you're going to want to download all these games like Fun Games. Like I said, you can click on the developer and see what other games they make, and you can earn Bitcoin. And all of these apps are legit. They tell you, oh, cloud mining's a scam. Well, that's just because those people don't know how to do it. Those people have Google Play points that they don't even realize is worth money. Like earn Bitcoin word puzzle right here. Playful Coins developer. This is legit. So I don't want to make this video too long. If there's anything I missed, I'm going to make another video just I'm gonna end this video right here, and hopefully you guys learned something, and that Bitcoin is the way, the truth, and the money. It's the new money. So where am I at? I'm trying to use OBS. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna make another video next time. I don't want this to be too long. Hope you guys had a good day. Enjoy your day. Adios.